This season, Trieste Rossetti Theatre unveils a bold and eclectic lineup for 2025-26, blending timeless classics, cutting-edge drama, and world-class musicals.
For us, the day of the presentation of the new season is always the most special day in the year because we talk with our audience and so we work for them, and there are always big expectations about our seasons. We will open the season with a big friend of our theater and of our city, with Simone Cristicchi, and as always will be a season with so big numbers of offers, from drama and prose to musicals, big events, concerts. And we are presenting the new season when the season of this year is still running. And so we hope to end in the best way this season, to start the new in another best way.
A lot of new projects with great performances and great actors especially. So if you want, you can come here and see Tennessee Williams, Eugene O'Neill, a lot in Italian, a lot of great plays from the United States and from Shakespeare especially. We are Othello and Romeo and Juliet, so come to Rossetti, please.